Hello, dear friends. My name is Alexander Salavatov, and I am the media manager at Electroatom. Today, we are going to talk about the marketing plan. Absolutely anyone can become an investor in the company, but we are offering you the opportunity to start earning. To do this, you need to become a partner. And now, let's talk about this in more detail. By signing the partnership agreement in your personal account, you become a partner of the company. What does this open up for you? You gain the opportunity to unlock new levels depending on your partnership status. Now let's take a much closer look at the various available partnership statuses. The first status, as you might have guessed, is called partner. To achieve this level, you will need to be a registered client and then sign the official partnership agreement. To obtain partner status, a client simply needs to have an agreement in their personal account, and from the moment of signing, you gain the opportunity to invest and receive rewards from the investments of those you bring in. The requirements for obtaining partner status are minimal. All that's needed is a signature on the agreement in your personal account. From that moment on, you have the opportunity to earn from everyone you bring into the project. There is a reward provided from the investments of your partners. The reward earned from the investments of your first-level partners you invite is 15%. From your second-level partners, the reward is 4%. From your third-level partners, it is 2%. And from your fourth-level partners, it is 1%. To increase your partner status, you must invest at least $250. Another requirement is to have at least 2 first-level partners you have referred, each having an investment of at least $100. Thus, the total investment volume required for this level amounts to $450. And of course, as your partner status changes and improves, your income from the investments of the partners you invite will increase accordingly. Thus, you receive 15% from first-level partners, 5% from second-level partners, 4% from third-level partners, 2% from fourth-level partners, and 1% from fifth-level partners. The partner network becomes a bit deeper. The next partner status is Master. To successfully transition to this status, you need to have a personal investment volume of at least $500. Furthermore, another essential requirement you must meet is to have at least 3 people, each with an individual investment volume of no less than $500. Thus, the required conditions for obtaining the Master status are as follows. The total investment volume, including your personal investments as well as those of the partners you have attracted, must be at least $2,000. Furthermore, in this particular status, the percentage ratio of rewards from the partners you attract at each level undergoes a significant change. The first level stays at 15%, the second level is 7%, the third level is 5%, and the fourth level is 3%. For the fifth and sixth levels, it is 2% each, and the seventh level is 0.5%. Now, let's move on to the next partnership status. This is the expert status. Here, a partner can become an expert if their personal investment volume is at least $1,500. Also, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that on the first level, you must have at least 3 masters with a personal investment volume of no less than $1,500 each. And accordingly, the total investment volume on the first level, including your own personal investments, must be at least $5,000. Thus, the requirements for obtaining expert status are as follows. Personal investments of at least $1,500, first-level partner network investments of at least $3,500, and there must be 3 investors at the master level. And of course, there is also a reward from the investments of partners at each level. The first level will bring you 15%, the second level 7%, the third 5%, the fourth 4%, the fifth level 3%, and the sixth level 1%. Additionally, partners from the 7th, 8th, and 9th levels will bring you 0.5% each. The next partner status is professional. In this tier, the amount of your personal investment must be at least $5,000, and you must have 3 experts within your structure, meaning partners who have achieved the previous status. The total investment volume at the first level, including your personal investment, must be at least $10,000. Of course, here the percentage ratio of income changes, or more precisely, the rewards from the investments of partners at each level. The reward from the investments of your first-level partners here is 16%, while from second-level partners it is 7%, from third-level partners 5%, fourth-level partners 4%, fifth-level partners 3%, And from 6th level partners, it is 1%. From the 7th to the 9th level, the reward is 0.5% each. And from the 10th down to the 20th level, investments from partners bring you 0.3% each. Finally, the highest status you can achieve is the president status. This status can be obtained by a partner whose personal investment volume is $10,000. It is also necessary to have 5 experts in your structure, and the investment volume at the first level, including personal investments, must be at least $20,000. The president status comes with special privileges, such as access to an exclusive chat with a top manager from Electroatom, referral rewards from 24 levels of your structure, and an increase in the total amount of rewards paid out from the 24 levels of the partnership program. The reward from your partner network from the 1st to the 10th level remains at the same percentage, and only the partners from the 10th to the 20th level are subject to changes. In this case, the reward rate you receive will be 0.5%, and for levels 21 to 24, the reward will decrease to 0.3%. The advantage of this partnership structure: first, commissions are always accrued. You will definitely be guaranteed to receive a reward for every partner you bring, and you can begin earning your commissions right now. Second, withdrawals become available when you have personal investments totaling just $200. Thus, upon obtaining specialist status, you automatically gain the ability to withdraw the funds you have earned. Third, your partnership status is updated automatically, and you can track it in your personal account on the website. Fourth, there are no limits on the number of people in your first line or in the structure as a whole. There is no risk of your structure being overtaken. Thus, if a partner you invited somehow brings in more partners, they will not rise above you in the partnership structure. Fifth, the conditions for status advancement: personal investment volume plus the volume of attracted investments in your first level. Thus, the partners you have attracted and their investments help you move up the partnership ladder. Sixth, the minimum amount you can begin withdrawing from your earned money is just $50. We remind you that after the successful completion of the project, 3B Technologies will be reorganized into a public joint stock company, and every investor will receive shares equivalent to their purchased stakes. We warmly welcome everyone to join our international partner company. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends. See you soon.